The main difference between a limited liability company, LLC, and a corporation lies in their management structure. An LLC is managed by either its members or managers, and it does not have stringent requirements for record-keeping, annual reports, or board meetings. In contrast, a corporation has a more formalized management structure, with shareholders forming the corporation, which must adhere to specific requirements such as holding shareholder meetings and maintaining detailed records. This makes an LLC's management structure more flexible. When it comes to taxation, corporations have more flexibility, as they can choose to be taxed as either C corporations or S corporations. Under the C corporation structure, the corporation's income is subject to double taxation, as it is taxed at both the individual and entity levels. To avoid this, some corporations opt for the S corporation structure, which allows them to be treated as pass-through entities and bypass tax liability. On the other hand, an LLC is also a pass-through entity and is taxed similarly to an S corporation, which can reduce tax liability. In terms of business ownership, corporations offer more flexibility, as shareholders can freely transfer, sell, or buy shares. Since a corporation is a separate entity from its owners, it can continue to exist even if some owners leave the company. In an LLC, each member owns a specific percentage of the business, known as membership interest, and there are restrictions on transferring this interest, such as requiring approval from other members. In some cases, an LLC may need to be dissolved if a member leaves, becomes bankrupt, or dies. This makes a corporation's ownership structure more ideal for businesses looking to raise money from investors in the future. Despite their differences, LLCs and corporations share some similarities. Both offer liability protection, which means the company owners are not personally responsible for business obligations. Additionally, both entities must file formation documents with the state. Ultimately, the choice between an LLC and a corporation depends on specific business